Alright guys, welcome to the 2025 Suzuki Swift. Ito yung accessorized na variant ng Suzuki. Alright.
Hey mga ka-garage, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a sporty and stylish Suzuki Swift 1.2L GLX Automatic. We'll go through its exterior features, engine and power, price, dimensions, safety features, interior features, and comfort features. Alright mga ka-garage, unahin natin ang exterior features ng Swift GLX 80. Front design, HID headlights with LED daytime running lights, front and rear fog lamps, and a glossy black radiator mesh grille paired with a sporty lower front black spoiler. Wheels and tires. This hatchback rides on 16-inch alloy wheels with the 185/55 R16 tubeless radial tires for added road grip. Suspension. The front suspension is MacPherson strut with coil springs, while the rear uses a torsion beam with coil springs. Side details. Black side fenders seamlessly connect to the lower front spoiler and side skirts. It also features foldable side mirrors with LED turning lights and body-colored door handles with keyless entry. At the back, you'll find a sporty glossy black spoiler, high mount stop lamp, rear wiper, rear combination lamps, a Swift emblem on the left, Suzuki's signature logo in the center, and a rear view camera. To top it off, the rear sporty lower spoiler completes the aggressive look.
Itong unit pala ito ay mayroon ng full accessorize.
Body kit.
So, okay. Itong ano niya sir?
Yan, spoiler accessory.
Accessorize. Itong ano niya?
Yan, accessory din.
Yes, din ito din. Kasama. Pwede na kasama din dito.
Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Suzuki Swift GLX is powered by 1.2L 4-cylinder engine, delivering 82 horsepower and 113 Newton-meter of torque. Front-wheel drive with hatchback body type. It uses gasoline fuel and has an automatic transmission. It has a fuel tank capacity of 37 liters, a top speed of 165 km per hour, and a fuel efficiency of 16.1 km per liter in the city. Kaya ideal ito for both daily driving and long trips.
No, so this is a body kit. So they attach accessories.
Price. For the price, the top plane variant cost 60,000 dirhams or around 957,972.32 pesos when directly converted. That's about 16,335.42 US dollars. Meanwhile, the black and red variant with the full accessories, like the one we're reviewing today, comes to around 62,000 plus dirhams. Sulit na sulit for its features and sporty look. Let's talk about size. The Suzuki Swift measures 3.84 meters in length, 1.735 meters in width, 1.495 meters in height, with a wheelbase of 2.450 meters, and it has a trunk capacity of 265 liters, enough for your weekend gear or groceries.
Spare car.
Wow, yellow. Tapos coated na yung ano niya, no? Galing.
Accessory.
Yes.
Safety first mga kagarage, of course. The Swift is packed with safety features including anti-lock brake system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, vehicle stability control, ISOFIX child seat anchors, airbags for added protection, tire pressure monitoring system, an anti-theft alarm, and immobilizer to keep your ride secure. Moving on to the interior. This car is loaded with convenient features.
Hello mga kabayan, nandito tayo ngayon with Mr. Harvey. So kung mayroon kayong kailangan dito sa Suzuki Dera Dubai branch, Al Rustamani, so i-contact nyo lang si Sir Harvey. Siya yung reputed persons na makahandle sa lahat ng inquiries regarding any Suzuki brand. Okay? So sir, anong mayroon dito sa ano sir? Sa
Okay, sa bagong Swift. So, main differences na nilagay nila, bagong updates, naglagay sila ng paddle shifter. So, if in case na gusto ni client ng manual shifting, possible na siya sa bagong Swift. They also added lane assist,
wow.
blind spot monitoring, and then adaptive cruise control. Yun yung mga pinakabago niyang features.
Tapos leader up steering wheels.
Yes.
Yung infotainment system sir, ano yung
Itong infotainment na ginamit nila ngayon,
Apple
hindi mo
Car?
nang i-connect yung Apple and Android CarPlay wirelessly.
ilang inches to sir?
Bluetooth lang. 9 inch.
So, ganda na rin yung TFT meters niya. Tsaka nanotice
Push
ko,
start na rin siya.
ito yung pinaka high option nila sir, no? Automatic transmission. Tapos may manual ba nito sir?
So ngayon wala.
Tapos handbrake, manual handbrake. Tapos mayroon siyang dalawang 2 cup holders. Tapos wireless charging sir, no?
Wala siya.
Okay.
Cable.
Cable lang. Pero solid.
Oo.
Napaka-solid nito. Tapos yung ano niya, sun visor niya, may vanity mirror. Tapos center.
Dimming na rin tong
Automatic dim sir?
hindi siya
Automatic.
Switch mo lang siya.
Okay. Tapos ano to sir?
Ito yung kung mapapansin niyo sa harap, meron diyang camera.
Okay.
Yun yung ginagamit na sasakyan para sa adaptive cruise control.
Wow.
Para ma-estimate niya kung gaano pa kalayo yung sasakyan or gaano kalapit na yung sasakyan sa harap niya. Then mag-a-adjust siya ng speed.
Okay.
Ito na gumagana siya pag ginamit yung cruise control.
Tapos ito, mayroon din sa passenger side niya, yung sun visor, mayroong vanity mirrors. Mayroong LED to sir, no?
LED wala.
Walang LED. Okay, napakatibay, guys. So, powered mirrors yan. Tapos yung window, automatic din sir.
Window, powered
all,
din.
powered. Okay. Tapos plastic.
ECC spec naman siya, so hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry.
Tapos yung hazard light. Ano to sir?
Ito yung automatic AC control na to. So,
Wow.
isa-set nyo na light temperature na gusto nyo, may adjust na yung sasakyan.
Automatic na, no?
Ito for fan speed. Gusto nyo talaga ng malamig. Ito is for temperature.
Wow. Galing. So sir, thank you very much sa pag-assist mo sir. Na-appreciate namin talaga yung ano mo. Thank you sir ha. So guys, if you need more, I put all the details in the descriptions of Mr. Harvey. Sir, thank you very much
Thank you po.
for your time. So guys, yung upuan niya, manual adjustment. Yung declining. Tapos ito yung adjustment. Normal na standard adjustment. Pull and push. Yan. Tapos yung dito sa likod. Yung second row seats niya guys. Chrome. Interior door handles. Tapos yung knob niya. Meron din adjustment dito. Okay, merong speakers, cup holders. Tapos yung legroom niya guys. Yung legroom niya napaka wide. Assuming na maliit na sasakyan ito guys, pero tingnan mo yung legroom. Tapos yung headroom, I'm 5'4" in height. So mayroon pang 10 cm na gap sa taas. Grabe guys, napaka-spacious. Ang kulang lang dito guys is yung sa armrest. Wala siyang armrest. Center armrest sa driver side.
That's a wrap mga kagarage. The Suzuki Swift 1.2-liter GLX 80 is a perfect blend of sporty design, reliable performance, and advanced features, ideal for city driving or weekend road trips. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take the Swift for a spin? Salamat sa panonood and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe mga kagarage!
Yeah, life's about just finding that right balance.